So we are now in Nanchang, China. Bagal namin maglakad, oh. Last 2 bags in the conveyor. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mama Berna. So we traveled 1.5 hours by plane instead of riding the speed train. At least pagka nagtatravel ka around China, Berna, no need for immigration. So we need to go to the first floor to get our Didi taxi. Ayan, yung Didi, kailangan online car hailing. Ang ganda ng view ni Berna sa likod, oh. Ayan, pupunta kami dyan sa mga mountains ng Lushan. First, we have to get a Didi to get to our hotel. Uy, Berna, pa-sunset na, oh. So, dito kami mag-aantay ng Didi to get to our hotel. So, yan ang airport ng Nanchang. Maganda rin, but it's mostly like a domestic airport. Ito na, mukhang ito na yung aming Didi ride. Okay, it's a nice BYD car. Ganda talaga ng mga kotse sa China. Tsaka panay electric na. Are you comfortable, Mrs. Baron? So we are going to Pullman, Sunak. It's going to be a 45-minute ride going to our hotel, which is right beside a lake. It's called Pullman, Nanchang, here in China. Oh, wow. Walang tao sa highway. Pero maganda, oh. Ang ganda ng kanilang highway kahit probinsya. Ito, malapit na tayo, Berna, sa Pullman, Sunak. Ganda talaga ng mga kalye na, oh. Very clean and very wide. Ayan na, si Pullman. Habang nakastop tayo. Ito ang paligid ng Pullman. That's it. That's the hotel we're staying. So we are here at the hotel. Okay. Sipag yung mga driver nila. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, ready to pull our bags again. Well, it's a quite big hotel. Uy, masarap ang pagkain dito. May scallop siya, oh. Berna needs to register first. Okay, hopefully we get another nice upgrade, Berna Baron. There she goes. Okay, wait muna tayo rito sa lobby lounge. Uy, may bilyaran. There's a billiard table. Wow. At sa gitna, mayroong bar. Sayang, wala akong kasamang bilyarista. Makapag-practice sana siya ng bilyar. Oh, Mama Berna, do we get room upgrade? Berna, room upgrade do we have? Okay, so let's check in. So, we get to check our room. Okay, let's go to the room and check it out. So, we are room 829. Oh, it's another sweet room, Berna Baron.
Welcome drink dito.
Meron na tayong prutas dyan, oh. Ha?
Juice,
May fruits. At may tea. Merong view ng lake. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, yan pala. May lake sa harapan namin. So, it's 1-bedroom suite, and this is going to be our room for tonight with the view of the lake. Well, okay naman yung design niya. Maganda yung lake, no? So from that view with the king size bed, and ito na, going to the toilet. My favorite place, the toilet. Kasi matagal ako mag-toilet. Ayan, yung aking trono. Okay, so regular rain shower. So it's a walk-in closet leading to the toilet. Pagkatapos, getting to the room. Okay. Okay, Berna, it's time to chill. So that's our hotel, Pullman. But unfortunately, they don't have a restaurant, so we had to look for Chinese food. Here, and we found one here, just right across. And let's go inside. Looks like a very cheap place, but the food here looks very, very good, but you have to have a translator and translate those words into Chinese, which we're gonna do. Yes. Okay, so yan ang napili ko, noodles with beef. Ayan, panay Chinese. Buti na lang, meron akong translator. So ito raw, free daw to. Ito yung order ko. Sana hindi spicy. Okay, at least kumakain si Madam Berna. Hindi naman spicy, di ba? Spicy ba? Ayaw mo? Patay. Well, average meal dito is 20 RMB. So mga 160 pesos. Okay? Pwede pa kayo mag-share. Pero itong gulay na to, nako, sobrang sarap. Hindi ko lang alam pa anong pangalan ng gulay na yan. Okay, so kailangan sabihin natin, Berna, shishi na, let's go. So after the noodles, we're going to check out this very nice mall. Wow, ibang klase yung design nitong mall na to. Ha? Imbis na semento, parang tiles ang ginamit. Maganda kaya loob nito. Berna Baron. Okay, now inside the mall here in Sunak to look for food. Ayan, KFC na lang pupuntahan namin. KFC! Ako, panay sili itong pagkain niya. Uy, ito isda, mukhang masarap pero busog na ako. Ito, masarap. Hairy crabs. Wow, panay pagkain pala rito. Pero busog na ako. Grabe itong mall na to. Laki pero halos walang tao. Pati yung mga restaurants, wala masyadong tao. Tingin ko, malaking lugi ng mall na to, Berna. Ang laki-laki pero wala masyadong action. Walang tao masyadong pupunta, Okay, dito kami yan sa Pizza Hut sa mall. Anong in-order mo, Berna?
Isang small na pizza lang.
Isang small lang kasi nabitin si Madam Berna. Mukha namang yummy. Ayan na. Ang dami na binigay sa menu. Pizza! Pizza for one! Okay, so nice design of this pizza house. Pizza with milk tea, Sarap ba, Berna? So it's time to pay using the QR code. Buti marunong kami mag-WeChat. Okay, thanks for watching.